Have you ever been part of a conversation that sounded kind of like this?
Bongle dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy too ta.
It's probably because they were using English slang rather than actual English vocabulary. Let's look at a few examples to help you out in your next conversation. For example, your friend comes up to you and tells you she got ghosted. This doesn't mean she was visited by a ghost. So what does it mean? Ghosting someone is when you cut off communication suddenly because you're no longer interested in them. What about if your friend says he's hangry? Being hangry means you're so hungry that you're angry. For example, I'm so hangry right now, I could eat 5 burgers. What about if they say something slayed? Don't worry, this doesn't mean they killed a dragon. Slayed means you did something well, or you impressed someone. For example, her last performance slayed. If someone says they have receipts, they're not talking about their total at a restaurant. Receipts are proof or evidence of something that happened. For example, I know he cheated, I have the receipts. Now you know some more English slang.